Force Kraken trolling motor. So this is they had the Garmin Force out. Now this is the Kraken model. This is the new one that came out. It is a brushless trolling motor, and it has the longer shaft lengths up to 90 inches in here as well. It comes in both white and black. The earlier reviews that I saw, Jay Siemens did a video on it, and a few other people that are out there have had some on-water experience with this, and they've said that it is absolutely phenomenal. One of the cool things with this is the floating remote. So that's nice if you drop it in the water. It's got the wireless integration with your other chart plotters, if you have a compatible chart plotter with it. Smartwatch integration. So Garmin's trying to do the ecosystem thing. So Garmin makes smartwatches. If you don't have one, or you're looking at getting one, or you already have one, you can actually do integration with it. It's got an anchor lock mode. So you can actually give it a precise GPS coordinate. It can get to it, and then it will obviously stay put. Live scope cable management. This is a big differentiator for this. You actually put the live scope cable up through the transducer pole. So no longer is it strapped on the outside and are you wrecking your cable? It goes through the pole. And then on the bottom of it, you actually have a mount for your live scope transducer. How awesome is this? This is first in class of its own, a very high-end trolling motor. There were several complaints about the original Force that came out, just around how it powered on smaller boats, and it was really jerky, along with a few other complaints. I've heard a lot of really good things about this one. And then you've got, it's probably the GT56 transducer along the bottom, the UHD one that they have as well. So check this out if you're looking into a trolling motor. Next is PowerPole. PowerPole launched their Move ZR, which is their trolling motor. What is supposed to be unique about this is they have taken apart a trolling motor and they said, what are all the components that go into it? We're going to make our own and rebuild every component to have the highest end components for the best output possible. So they're truly looking at innovating in the space with research and development to create the best trolling motor out there. I can't wait to hear how other people like it. You know, how much integration there's going to be if you're a Garmin user with live scope like I am down the road. They do call out that they specifically right now will integrate in with Lowrance and Simrad models, but it doesn't say anything about Garmin. So it'll be interesting to hear about that. One of their big selling points is how silent the operation is. Since it is a brushless motor, they said they also optimize many of the other components to reduce even more noise. So it's totally silent, they say, when it's in the water and operating. It also has 30% more thrust, and it's 30% more efficient than the industry-leading trolling motors. They also have their anchor modes. They have the follow a route compass headings, same as all of the leading manufacturers out there for a lot of the capabilities. And you can see their hybrid remote that they have here. So this looks pretty cool. They won in their class for the trolling motors. So this is something definitely to keep an eye on if you're in the market for a trolling motor. Might be worth looking at. Ultra lightweight, easy lift assist deployment, worth checking out.